Before David ever faced Goliath, he faced a lion and a bear, alone. High quiet fields of Bethlehem, young David moved among his father's sheep beneath a wide, waking sky. The morning smelled of dew and dry grass. His fingers traced familiar paths along a worn staff, his whispering songs braided with the wind. Everything felt small and sacred, the rhythm of the flock, the hush before full light. Then danger snapped the calm. From the shadowed brush came a roar that split the air. A lion, muscles rippling, eyes like coal, slipped into the pasture intent on a lamb. David's heart leapt, but he did not flee. He ran toward the threat. Slow moves hold his breath, the music tightening, every fiber of the scene stretching as courage overtook fear. With a single decisive move born of practice and faith, he struck the beast and rescued the lamb. No sooner had the dust settled than a bear charged, massive, thunderous, tearing toward the flock with brutal purpose. Again, David stood his ground. Close-up angles show his jaw set, hands steady, voice steady in prayer and action. The same God who strengthened him against the lion held him steady against the bear. He drove the beast off and protected what was entrusted to him. David would later declare the truth of those hidden moments. Your servant used to keep his father's sheep, and when a lion or a bear came and took a lamb out of the flock, I went out after it and struck it. The Lord who delivered me from the paw of the lion and from the paw of the bear, he will deliver me. 1 Samuel 17:34-37, NKJV. These private victories were not accidents, they were training. In the secret fields of Bethlehem, David learned to trust, to fight, to lead. Private victories prepare you for public battles. Private victories prepare you for public battles. End with a reflective cadence. God trains in quiet before he promotes in public. Every solitary victory shapes the courage you'll need for the giants ahead.